Okay, we're asked to find the equation of this graph, and this happens to be a parabola. So a few things we're going to look at what is the standard form of a parabola, and that's going to help us with this problem. And H and K, if you remember correctly, HK is our vertex of the parabola. And we do know our vertex. It's right here. Looks like it is, looks like -3, 2. So it looks like -3, 2 is our vertex. We also need another point that is on this graph, and it looks like we have one right here, which is -2, -1. And those are the only things we need, and we'll be able to find the equation of this particular parabola. So I know the vertex, so I'm going to plug in my H and K. So my H is the -3, and my K is 2. Let's simplify. That's going to be x plus 3 squared plus 2. Now I also have an x and a y. Okay, because again, this is a point that's on the graph, and this one is the vertex. So we have that. So here is my f of x, and here's my x. So I'm going to plug those in to what we have and solve for a, because once I find a, that's really all I needed right here. If I had my a, then we would have the equation of this parabola. So let's solve this for a. And -2 plus 3 is 1 squared. And of course 1 squared is 1. Subtract 2 from both sides, and that gives me -3. So it looks like a is -3. So the equation for this function is f of x equals a is -3, x minus h squared plus 2. And again, that should make sense. If you just kind of look at it, it's a negative, so that means it's open down. Oh, wait a minute. I don't want that to be an h. I want that to be, what do we have that to be? A plus 3. Okay. So that is our final equation for this particular parabola.